Welcome back to another new video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. The Huawei MatePad Air. This sleek and powerful device boasts an elegant design, a slim body, and impressive performance. Stick with us until the end, as we'll be covering all the key aspects of this tablet, including its performance, battery life, and stunning screen quality. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Huawei MatePad Air showcases a remarkably slim and lightweight body, measuring just 6.4 millimeters and weighing only 508 grams. The backside of the tablet features a captivating glittery black color, which sparkles beautifully when caught under the light. The Huawei logo sits proudly in the middle, alongside the camera at the top right corner. On the sides, you'll find the power button, 2 speakers, a SIM tray, a keyboard connector, a Type-C port, and 3 microphones. Moving on to the screen, the front boasts an 11.5-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2800 by 1840. The display delivers an impressive experience in terms of colors and sharpness. Although not on par with OLED screens, the LCD still provides excellent visual quality. Additionally, the 87% screen-to-body ratio and the tablet's 3:2 aspect ratio ensure a fantastic viewing experience, especially for content consumption. Under the hood, the Huawei MatePad Air is equipped with a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, complemented by 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The tablet's performance is exceptional, capable of handling heavy applications and gaming with ease. The 144Hz refresh rate further enhances the overall smoothness and responsiveness, making it one of the most powerful tablets from Huawei. The tablet comes with an 8300 mAh battery, providing solid battery life for day-to-day use. Additionally, the 40W super fast charging via Type-C ensures a quick recharge when needed, keeping you on the go throughout the day. On the camera front, the Huawei MatePad Air features a 13 megapixels rear camera with an f1.8 aperture, capable of recording up to 3K videos. While most users don't primarily use a tablet for photography, it still delivers decent performance. The front camera is an 8 megapixel shooter with an f2.2 aperture, recording up to full HD videos. Both cameras serve their purpose well, ensuring satisfactory results for video conferencing and occasional content creation. The tablet's productivity is further enhanced with the inclusion of the second-generation M Pencil, offering a seamless experience for note-taking, drawing, and creative work. The M Pencil boasts 4096 pressure levels and a 2 millisecond latency, providing an incredible writing experience. Moreover, the Huawei MatePad Air comes with a smart keyboard that can be detached and used wirelessly. This convenient feature allows you to use the keyboard at a distance, making it perfect for various work scenarios. Limitations. However, it's essential to note that the Huawei MatePad Air does not support 5G connectivity and lacks Google Play services. Although the app gallery provides access to various apps, users may need to rely on alternatives for specific Google apps. In conclusion, the Huawei MatePad Air is a fantastic tablet that impresses with its design, performance, and stunning display. Whether you're a student, creative professional, or a business user, this tablet offers an exceptional experience with its fast response, lightweight build, and productivity-enhancing features. The addition of the M Pencil and Smart Keyboard further elevates its versatility. That wraps up our review and first look at the Huawei MatePad Air. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.